Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe guys. You need to remove or replace intake runner control solenoid. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, what to look for, and sometimes, okay, it may not be a bad solenoid, and we'll have a special video that explains how to test it as well, that causes your problem, so make sure you stay until the end. You do not have to remove your engine guys, we have it out simply because we'll be making a ton of videos guys that can potentially save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out we can actually demonstrate everything and we can show you every angle and see where every bolt is located. So let's explain how to replace intake runner control solenoid today. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine, and before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this specifically guys, this is a 2013 2.4 GDI engine and the intake control solenoid is right there. Now that engine guys, okay, is a very good engine with some minor things that go bad here and there, but every engine has problems guys. Sooner or later higher mileage engines will develop problems. So that engine is quite powerful, okay, for a 2.4 non-turbocharged engine it's quite powerful, but how it does that, it uses quite a few complicated mechanisms: double variable timing, intake runner control, okay, that it actually opens and closes, so that can improve the torque as well. Okay, that thing is going to open and close. Okay, we have it disconnected here so I can show you that thing can open and close guys. This is the membrane that runs it, but now the vacuum actually will run this one, but what will activate that membrane to open and close? Okay, you have that solenoid that's on the bottom side, okay, right here. This is it, this is the solenoid guys. It will use vacuum, okay, vacuum, and that vacuum guys, if you follow the line, it comes all the way to right here. So if you have problems with the intake runner control valve, you have to make sure that every vacuum line, everything on the vacuum diagram is in good working condition. You don't have a cracked hose leaking anywhere, because that can affect the working of it as well. You will need to disconnect the wiring harness, okay, pull the wire, okay, and get it out. Now what you will need to do, you need to guys remove the hose, okay, from one side or the other. Perfect, one is out. Now we need to go ahead and get a 10mm socket, and we have one bolt that holds it in place. Check it out now. Perfect, it came loose. It's quite tight actually. So now you can see we're getting it loose. Okay, the bolt is about to come all the way out. A little bit more. Yep, it's out. Now that's the bolt, that's what it looks like. At that point, okay, you need to go ahead, okay, grab the solenoid, and you need to get that hose out. Okay, this hose is the, oh, did you hear that vacuum? It's holding vacuum good. It means that we actually don't have any vacuum leaks in the system. And this is the solenoid guys, okay, that does all that. So we have a special video that explains how to test the runner, intake runner control solenoid, so please check it out. All that will be on our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.